Hi guys, it's Geoffrey from RCbenchmark. Today I will be showing you our new 1780 thrust stand. It's the biggest tool that we've developed. It can measure up to 75 kilograms of thrust and 40 Newton meters of torque. It's a great tool for drone designers who want to test their brushless motors and propellers. It can measure thrust, torque, voltage, current, mechanical power, electrical power, and motor and propeller efficiency. So we did not only design the thrust stand, we also provide the RCbenchmark software. It allows you to control the thrust stand, record and export your data. You can also write your own script directly in the software in order to automate your tests. So now I'm going to show you how this works, and we're going to test this 62 inches propeller and the U15 XXL brushless motor from T-Model. So this thrust stand is made to select the best motor propeller setup in order to increase flight time or payload capacity. You can also write your own script in order to do endurance testing or even simple pass or fail test for quality control or reliability. If you're interested by testing your brushless motors or propellers, please visit our website at www.rcbenchmark.com, or you can also click in this ad. If you have any questions about your testing needs, please contact us directly. Thank you very much for having watched this video.